Stocks closing higher today. The S&P 500 gaining nearly 1%, but not all traders believe that the market will continue to move higher. Deborah Kostroun has the details from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yeah, so the market's kind of catching their breath today, moving higher as French banks kind of dismissing a lot of concerns over their access to funds, and the market kind of took that as good news, but traders have been saying that this is really a headline-driven market, so we're kind of watching the news very closely, and they say it's kind of difficult to predict because any signs of progress will move the market higher, and of course anything that is perceived as not so good will cause the market to fall. But a lot of traders saying that today the market certainly was positive, but still we have a lot of issues with Europe to deal with, so expect more volatility, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, all 10 economic groups in the S&P 500, they were higher, so it seems as though the market, expecting better economic performance?
Right. Well, you know, and a lot of people focusing on those Dow transports because they always look at the transports. They are considered kind of a proxy for the economy. And what we did see, airlines like Delta and United rallying, and then also a lot of the railroad stocks like Kansas City Southern and Union Pacific. And of course, the idea is if we're transporting goods and services, then the economy must be doing well. And a little bit surprising that the airlines were higher, mainly because crude oil climbed above $90 a barrel to its highest level in 6 weeks. And also, as we're talking about stocks that are closely tied to the economy, we saw industrials. Those were the best performers today in the S&P. So stocks like GE and Caterpillar performing well. That's it from here, Pimm. Back to you.
Thank you very much. Our own Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.